to. Gamitin na yun naman. Halata naman, diba? Guys. Naligaw ko lang po. Magti-tiktok pa ako. Abangan po yung tiktok ko. Papost ko na lang po. Abangan po. At magti-tiktok ako. So guys, abangan nyo yung tiktok na rin. At yung video na yun. Nakuha na. Kaya mag-consume na tayo. Pakita ko muna yung uhusit tayo. Wait lang po ako. Yan guys. Girls cut po pala yung aking short guys. Guys. Guys, kung magwa 100 followers na tayo guys, ano na tayo guys, 100 followers na ako, pupunta ako sa Iloilo. Yan, tingnan ko Iloilo guys, at abangan nyo po yung pagkakapunta ko dun. Iba-vlog ko na lang po sa account ng ate ko, kasi hindi ko dadalhin yung yung cellphone ko baka na. Isang 1 week lang naman ako dun eh. Kasi gagamitin din naman ni mama. Ano naman yung cellphone? Eh sige, papayarang ko na lang yung cellphone sa kanya. Kasi hindi ba alam. Hindi pantay. Sorry guys. By the way guys. Tara guys, abangan nyo lang po yung aking TikTok at picture. Now tell me who's the fairest? Is it you? Is it you? Is it me? Say it's us, and I'll agree, baby. Jump in the Cadillac, girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby. Just stop for a minute and smile. Why is everybody so serious? Acting so damn mysterious. Got shades on your eyes and your heels so high that you can't even have a good time. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel?
Nagsimula sa simple na pasulyap-sulyap, napapapansin sa'yo. Umabot sa palitan ng mga